Hi, here's Szymon Bochniak from Microsoft 365 at work. Start to use Power Automate thanks to templates available on the platform. Starting the work with Power Platform could be a little overwhelming. It's a huge package of low-code solutions that will allow you to build custom applications, but starting very early stages with them could be a little scary. Today I prepare for you very easy starting point for Power Automate, so business processes that will help you to automate business workflows in your team, maybe in your organization, and the way how to easily start to work with them based on ready-to-use examples, ready-to-use templates, and starting to play with Power Automate this way. You will see that implementation on the first business process will take about 2-3 minutes, and you will be able to play with it, check how it works, and understand better how Power Automate works in general. So soon we will get back to my screen and show you how it works today. And now I would like to ask you, if you like this video, please leave your thumbs up. If you want to get notification about the new videos, please subscribe the channel. And now I will switch to my screen. The best approach to start the work with Power Automate is to start to use Automate Cloud Flows, so in general workflows that you can implement based on Office 365 apps, and to use existing templates. So these are the ready-to-use Power Automate flows, which you can implement in few clicks, learn how in general that kind of flows works, and get additional value from perspective of using them on your daily work from perspective of productivity. As a first example, let's try save Office 365 email attachment to specific OneDrive for business folder. You will see that implementation of such template is very easy. You need to select it and then set up the connections to the applications that are involved in the work of this Power Automate flow. You can see that I'm already authenticated there, but it could happen that in your case you will be asked to set up these connections and to use your account to log into each application. Probably this will be something that you will need to do once, and later on this connection will be set up in your Power Automate flows. When your connections are ready, you can implement the template in your environment, and you can see the blocks of the Power Automate flows are set up. There are a few elements that you should understood here. First of all, you have some kind of trigger which starts the work of your Power Automate flow. In this case, it will be arrival of the new email to your inbox folder in your email account. This is important because at the previous step we set up the connection, and this account will be used to monitor the inbox in here. The flow also contains the conditions which will execute possible next actions which are present here. If statement is very easy. If the condition is met, then the yes statement will take place. In other case, the actions right in here will be executed. The only thing you need to set up is the folder in your OneDrive. It could be root. In this case, it could be something a little different, like approvals documents. You get direct connection to these applications, the OneDrive, and you can set it up based on the connection setup in previous steps. The only thing you have to do is to save this Power Automate flow and turn it on. So how that kind of process will looks like? Immediately as you will get the notification from perspective of any other user, including the attachment, Power Automate flow will be executed in the background in less than 5 minutes, and it will save the attachment in the proper OneDrive folder. Let's check it out. When you will log into OneDrive, you can see that attachments from the emails are saved automatically in this folder. Super fast solution that could save important attachments to the very specific folder using Power Automate flow. And what is quite important in here from perspective of the Power Automate, you can set it up as you wish. So you can add additional conditions or additional specific ways of working which you will prefer, and you can see this is not extremely difficult to do that. The only thing you have to do is to play with Power Automate template and set it up to your expectations and to your needs. And you can see this is the best way to start the work with Power Automate, to go to the creation of the flows and play with the templates that are present here. In the description of the video you will find detailed article that describe how step by step you can use at least 5 of that kind of templates and implement them directly in your environment. So play with it and start to learn Power Automate flows today. You can see implementation of Power Automate from perspective of very simple integration between Outlook and OneDrive, very easy. Now it's good time to extend that for other templates that are present there, including Microsoft Teams, including Microsoft Planner. In the description of the video you will find the article that describe other 5 examples which you can use to implement your first few business processes using Power Automate. And what is great, all of these examples will help you to improve the way how you work on the daily basis. So thank you very much for watching for today and see you in next episode.